Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a interesting one. I have to clean this house before tomorrow because tomorrow is my husband's birthday and I want a very clean house to start the day with. Before we do that, let me say hello to all you new faces out there. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit that red subscribe button and that notification bell and join our little family here. And if you like messy, clean with me's, give this video a thumbs up. I would love it. It helps me out. With all that said, let me show you what we're working with. As you can tell, there was random stuff everywhere. We left for the morning and grabbed food out and ran to put the kids in bed when we got back home. And here I am about to clean up this crazy mess as fast as possible. I think it took me about 45 minutes to an hour to clean this up, and I broke a sweat, y'all. I was determined to get it all done, so come along and clean your messy house with me. I don't know if a huge island or peninsula is a good or bad thing because it just seems to grab everything all the time, just random things laid out, food, bags, mail, drinks, I mean, you name it. So anyway, I'm always cleaning up this area, but it's a lot faster now because I created a home for a lot of my mail, a lot of my items, a lot of the kids' items, and it helps so much with cleanup. I can clean up so much faster. So I suggest you kind of revamp your area that is the messiest and try to make cleanup faster, whether it's through decluttering or whether it's through making files or boxes or storage space for those items. I did want to show you my favorite candle from Walmart. It's only like $3.30. It's called Garden Rain. It is my favorite all year around candle. So, and also we love to garden, and here is our selection from the week. We had some tomatoes, some peppers, and some, of course, some herbs. And those purple grape looking things are called muscadines. Those are native to Georgia, so we grow those as well. So anyway, I'm just assembling it all on this giant tray and organizing it, and also getting rid of that little dish and just, you know, consolidating and making things look a little bit prettier. I'm also putting away my griddle. It is the best tool to have when you have a family because we made almond flour pancakes that morning and it was so much quicker. And I'm also cleaning out some of the coffee things that we used that morning as well. I love having coffee and pancakes on Saturday morning, and the almond flour pancakes are lower carb. So hey, that's the best of both worlds. If you're new here, I have a 3 and 1-year-old who love pouches, and we've been trying to save some money by using these reusable pouches that you could put like yogurt, applesauce, anything really that is pureed inside, and we take it on the go, and it saves so much time that way and so much money. So anyway, I suggest getting these if you want to save a little bit of money, because those pouches can be very, very expensive. And I am using my favorite granite cleaner on our granite countertops. It works wonders. It smells great. It gets all the gunk off, and I feel like it cleans it really, really well. So I love it. I love it. I love it. I also wanted to mention, if you are looking for some fall decor inspiration and ideas, go check out my recent fall videos. One is where I give you like a home shop with me, and I decorate my formal dining room in that one. And the other is a house decorate with me. And soon there will be a fall home tour, because I plan on going shopping for a few more items for my house before I do a fall home tour, because I've only used items that I've purchased previous years and have made. So keep a lookout for that, and make sure you click that notification bell so you get notified when that video goes live. If you're new here, my living room is also our girls' playroom. So that's why there's gates on both entrances, and all of it, obviously their toys are everywhere and other items. So I got these bins from Walmart. They're very sturdy and they hold a lot of toys. So it has helped so much in cleanup, and it also helps making it look a little bit more put together. And we are in the process of redoing lots of things in the living room as well as the kitchen area, so stay tuned for more updates on that as well. I need to let you know that I need you tonight. You should know that I miss you. So I am finishing up cleaning with sweeping and some mopping. I like to sweep when the girls are napping. Obviously the vacuum cleaner makes noise, sweeping does not, so that's why I choose that. But it also helps get those little fine crumbs that kids tend to drop all over the floor, so it helps a lot. Also, the mopping, I love using the spray mop that I have, but I did not use it in this video because I was racing the clock, and it was so much faster to just grab the Swiffer and to use the wet pads. So I just did that maybe 3 different times in 3 different areas, and it helped clean up so much better.
Never seen a sky so blue. We don't ever play it, and the night is young. It doesn't matter what we do. There ain't nobody like. Ain't nobody like. You look so beautiful, and I'm so lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Talking by yourself and you make me smile. I can listen all night long.
favorite product is this Wayman stainless steel spray. I used to use the wipes that you can get at like the home improvement stores or even grocery stores, but I found the spray from another YouTuber and it works out way better. And it's like the wipes have too much product, and the spray you can control the amount that you use. So I love the spray so much better for this, and it was so much quicker to dry it and to polish the refrigerator.
Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high.
Thanks guys for watching this amazing transformation from messy house to clean house. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and joining our community. Here we love bettering our homes through cleaning, organizing, and DIYs, all the while enjoying the fruits of our labor through a little paradise at home. Please share this motivation with your friends over on Instagram or Facebook. It really helps me out a ton. I also look forward to hearing from you in the comments below. Please say hello. Until next time, have a wonderful and lovely day. Bye.
And I'm so lucky to be yours. And you're taking me